Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and in this video I'm going to share with you a walkthrough of this mini album that I made using the Spring Charm paper collection by Craft a Clock. I made this mini album with cover number 6 by Craft a Clock. This is a great smooth cover, and I will put the dimensions for the finished album right over here in inches and in centimeters. If you are interested in a full tutorial, I will also put a link right here where you can check that out. This is actually the beginner mini album. You'll see that it doesn't look like it's made for a beginner, but it is. And so I've got some nice trinkets and good flowers, trinkets. These corners, these photo corners, are made with gold cardstock, folks. Just gold cardstock run through an embossing folder. And here's some chipboard. And when you open this up, then you've got a nice front corner pocket with a beautiful tag, and I covered the back in just plain cardstock. This is good for journaling or some small little, like what do they call them, wallet photos. A neat little visual tag with some nice accent ribbons. Here we have our waterfall page. Okay, and this is just some basic paper. This is the Spring Charm paper collection, and this is mainly covered. When I say mainly, I mean almost all of the inside pages are covered with the basic set. So really maximizing the way you can put your photos in there, and the photos will become the focus. Here's a nice pull out with just some more of that cardstock. The gold cardstock. That was from my stash, but I love how these tabs look when they're all lined up nice. Isn't that cool? And this pull out, you could just put like an extra photo or journaling or something. Here we have Adventure Awaits You. And these chipboard quotes are also by Craft a Clock as well. Then this opens up. I love this. This opens up. It's just a flip flat page, and here's some ephemera inside. And then here is just a simple pocket with more ephemera on the back. Look at the bee. I love the bees so much. And these are fussy cut elements. I did fussy cut all these by hand. And then here is another pull out. Just beautiful, beautiful paper. And then this pulls out over here. You have a simple belly band here with some floral embellishments. This is a clip here that reveals another decorative tag and postcard that just stores right in with the belly band. Then we have a nice pull out. Look at the key with, you can add a message right here like pull, or you can add for you, or you can add a person's name. And this pulls out. Family is a special gift, and this actually is also a belly band as well that you can fit a photo or something in there. And then of course it goes this way as well. Closure with a magnet. And this pulls out to reveal music note. Nice paper that you can put another photo here. Okay, on the other side as well. Oh, I love the flowers. And it slides easily but stays put. Here is a side waterfall with beautiful paper and some room for some photos inside. These are blank for photos. And here's our pocket tower. with all kinds of fun little pull-outs, little just fun little things to embellish the album. Today is a good day. More pretty paper that goes inside this tunnel page. And then it pulls out. You can put a photo here. This I really like, that there's a photo insert, but there's a guide card so that you know how to cut your photo and then slide it in here. And then these open up this way. Look at the violin and the butterfly. Beautiful. And they just close right back down like so. There we go. And then finally, a little photo card here in the final corner pocket, and a nice smooth back. So thanks so much for watching. Definitely head over to sandpaperroad.com. Check out the links that I leave you here at the end of the video for more information. You can also click the more word down there in the description box for additional links to find all the products if you're interested. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.